Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel, and today we are here for another unboxing. I know I've been making too many unboxings and too little of other videos, but I'll try to diversify a little bit more my content when I can. Right now I just can't. So today this is a box that it's a package that I bought from Fontoplumo in the Netherlands, and what we are showing you today is a new Kaweco Sport pen, another one for my collection. So let me take this out and show you what I have. So it's out. So what we have here is first the little card from Fontoplumo that says, "Thank you for buying our special edition Kaweco AL Sport," and I'll take you there. Passion. And this passion is the name of the color. Besides that, I just bought these. I will talk a little bit more about it someday. It is just for a kind of maybe a failed project. It's just the little how can I say, the little pencil stuff, the pencil inside of the, I don't know how to call this. This is kind of pencil insert for a multi-pen by Lamy. This is called the Z60, and I bought this because I'm thinking of a little project one of these days. Then I will show you what I am thinking about, if I can ever make it. Let's put this aside and let me show you. It comes inside the Lamy thing, and let me show you the pen that you are here for. So it comes inside a plastic sleeve, and inside the plastic sleeve is this black cardboard sleeve that you already know from some other Kaweco Sport pens or other Kaweco pens, and then you have the traditional metal tin with this gold color. Inside we have a pen. This is the one I got. So we have the traditional leaflet that you all know by now, I think. It looks a little bit different. I think this is an updated version. I've never seen it in color, printed in color, and it has more information. I think I'll need to check to compare it with some other, but I think this is different. And then we have the traditional sticker that nowadays is black. It used to be silver color just with the Kaweco logo. And here we have the pen. The little sticker says AL fountain pen Fontoplumo orange silver in F. So they call it orange. Fontoplumo calls it Kaweco AL Sport Passion. And so it says in one side Kaweco AL Sport Germany, it has the silver thing, and the other side it says Fontoplumo, because this is an exclusive edition. This is another exclusive edition for Fontoplumo. There are quite a lot Kaweco Sport editions for Fontoplumo. So I think this is their first AL Sport edition. I will talk a little bit more about it when I'll make a full review. So I got it with the silver trim. It has a very nice warm, I would say something between yellow and orange. I wouldn't say it is clearly orange, but I will just show you color comparison in a moment. And inside it comes with the blue cartridge. In my opinion, it should come with the orange cartridge, but it doesn't really matter that much. But I would like to do that, even if I don't match my pens with inks usually. So this is the pen. I think this is a very nice color. and I'm glad that Fontoplumo made another version of this pen. To be honest, I would love to have my own special edition of a Kaweco Sport, but I would love it to be in yellow, really real yellow, not this kind of orangey color. But I think that won't be possible. And let's just show you some color comparisons, because that may be useful, and let's not make this a 30-minute video. So the Fontoplumo Passion, I have here just for kind of a comparison the Kaweco AL Sport in gold. It's not gold, it's just gold colored, just for you to see how yellow this one is. I have here also the Kaweco AL Sport, the pen for the Dutch pen show, and it was called Tulip Fields. This one has black trim. By the way, this pen costs around 120 euros, and it is available in chrome trim, gold trim, or black trim if you prefer. So here it is, and let's put the Tulip Field there, the Dutch pen show Tulip Fields, and you can see this is more yellow than this one. This is a stronger yellow, as I was telling you. And then we have two other Kaweco AL Sport in orange, and you'll see the real orange for comparison. So I have here two. Which one will I show first? Maybe the Gold Spot. I have here the Gold Spot edition Mercury Orange. It says there Gold Spot. This one has gold trim. Nice pen. These are beautiful colors in my opinion, all of them. This is my least favorite of this set, but just it's here just for some comparison. So the Gold Spot Mercury Orange, and you can see this is much more orange. I'm not sure if you can see, but I can, and it clearly is more orange. Let me just adjust the color a little bit. And finally I have the Ackerman Orange, which also has black finish, and it is also a nice color, very similar. It has the AL Sport there engraved, but then there's the Ackerman printed, and you may see that this one, let me put them with the exclusive parts up. And so you can see that these are very similar, but these are much more orange than the now released Passion. I like this color a lot, and I think I will enjoy it very much. I think I will ink it, maybe with some Kaweco orange ink, and I think I'll make a review as soon as possible, because there are other pens and stuff. So this is what I wanted to show you, just the unboxing and the color comparison for this pen from Fontoplumo. I'll leave a link below. I hope you enjoy. I hope these will help you to decide to buy or not this new pen. I bought it and I don't regret it. So this is all for today. Another Kaweco Sport for my large collection, and I hope to see you soon for another video. Bye.